Hello guys, how are you? Knee pain is a common problem in this generation, and it affects many aspects of life, like standing, sitting down, or exercising. It is annoying, I know. But today we're going to talk about knee pain. What causes it, what are the diseases related to it, and what to do and what to don't in certain situations. Okay? So let's get it started. Your knees, those heroes of mobility, might sometimes throw a little pain party. So fear not, because we're here to unravel this mystery of knees. First up on our knee pain hit list is aging. Yep, like fine wine, our knees also mature with time. But gradually, it may not mature that gracefully, okay? So, it may lead to some pain and some symptoms of diseases. Then we have injuries. Whether you're a sportsman or it's some guy just doing their stuff, not even doing epic moves, injuries may happen and land you in the knee pain zone, okay? But wait, there's more. Ever feel like your knees are shouting and just screaming because you have climbed upstairs or just walked too much? Well, that's the way your knees say, take it easy on me. Some diseases that knees may have are, first of all, arthritis. Arthritis is something that you may have and it can make your walking become a nightmare, okay? There are things you can do about that, but that is for another video. Next up, tendonitis. Your tendons are like grumpy kids throwing a little tantrum, right? Ouch. That is right. Tendons get inflamed and cranky, making every step of your way really painful. Cartilage tears. They are also a reason for osteoarthritis, which affects approximately 25% of the adults nowadays. It affects function and mobility of the knees and affects quality of life as well. With arthritis as the most common cause of knee pain, it affects people under 50 or older. Now we're gonna talk about some do's and don'ts. What we do while sitting, standing, stretching, exercising, and posture. We go over them one by one. About sitting. When you have knee problems, you should be cautious about the way you sit in, what positions you sit in. First of all, crossing your legs. It may hurt the inside of your knee, so you better not do that. Secondly, standing. Standing for extended periods of time may put pressure on your knees and do strains on them and lead to pain from constant pressure on the joints. Also, don't lock your knees while standing because it puts a strain on your knees and it will be bad for exercising. For exercising, squats can strengthen your knee muscles, but improper form or excessive kind of this exercise can strain your knees. Running provides cardiovascular benefits, but it can lead to overuse it and it causes runner's knee. Jumping activities can strengthen the knees muscles, but if not done safely, it can make the knees have acute injuries. Before we get to the next part, please take your time to like and subscribe to this video, and if you enjoy it, share it with your friends. Next up, stretching. Stretching can relieve stress and improve your mobility and flexibility, but do not put pressure on them by stretching if you already have knee pain. And I would lunge forward in exercises. If you have knee pain, don't put much pressure into doing them. And at the end, posture. Poor posture can misalign your body and put extra pressure on your knees. Also, maintaining good posture can distribute your weight evenly and reduces knee pain. So, for the do's, do not go forward while standing and do not put pressure on just one of your knees because it would make a strain on them. Now, that's the end of the video. We talked about knees, and guess what? Knees. No, but for real. We talked about things you must do and must not do with your knees. Also, there are some foods and supplements you can take for preventing or treating your knee pain. But that is for another video. And if you want to know about them, stay tuned until the next video. Okay? Goodbye!